along with common neighborhood problems. The quality of life in our communities is most often affected by minor things and is often taken for granted. Yet, experience has shown that minor problems, left unaddressed, can quickly escalate to the point where our quality of life suffers and the well-being of our community is put at risk. Traffic-related issues are frequently cited by residents as a top 5 concern in a survey of attitudes and opinions. These concerns are particularly acute when they affect the streets in which we live. To address a traffic problem in your community, contact your police station or police division. The repetitive nature of parking problems makes them a frequent source of complaint. If you notice a parking problem that affects your quality of life or your community's well-being, contact your local parking control. Loitering by itself is generally not against the law. If you see a loitering problem, we recommend that you monitor it to make sure that there is no drinking, vandalism, noise, drugs, or other illegal activities. If you see loiterers engaged in illegal activity, be sure to contact police. Problems associated with loitering can often grow if they are left unchecked. Few things can be more annoying than a noise complaint. Generally speaking, unreasonable noise can happen anytime during the day. If you're experiencing an ongoing nuisance-type problem, contact your bylaw enforcement division. If you are experiencing a one-time noise occurrence, such as a party or rave, contact the police. Stray animals are not only a nuisance, but they can present a danger to people and other pets. If you see or are bothered by a loose dog, contact animal control. Too many times we witness suspicious activity but fail to react properly or in a timely fashion. If you witness suspicious activity or see something that does not make sense, don't rationalize it away or fail to react. Note a description and direction of travel, then contact police. Your actions may prevent you or your neighbors from being the victims of crime. Don't forget that our safety is in our hands. In the text, you have come across new words. Let us pay attention to them and their meaning. Community – общество. To affect – влиять. To take for granted – принимать как должное. To escalate – увеличиваться, обостряться. Well-being – благополучие. To put at risk – ставить под угрозу. Resident – местный житель. Frequent – частый. Complaint – жалоба, недовольство. Loitering – праздношатание, бездельничество. Illegal – незаконный. Ongoing – продолжающийся, постоянный. Nuisance – неприятный. Stray animals – бродячие животные. Suspicious activity – подозрительная деятельность.